1. Hook AWS certifications are a great way to boost your resume, but they might not prepare you for the job. 2. The real problem: many people think that getting AWS certified will guarantee them a job in cloud engineering. The reality is, certifications alone don't equip you with the hands-on experience you need. Companies want problem solvers, not just credential holders. Certification exams focus on theory and best practices. Real-world scenarios often require critical thinking and adaptability. Employers prioritize practical skills over theoretical knowledge. If you only rely on certifications, you risk being unprepared for actual job responsibilities. 3. The simple explanation: AWS certifications are like a driver's license. Having one shows you know the rules of the road, but it doesn't mean you can navigate traffic or handle breakdowns. In the cloud, knowing concepts like EC2, S3, or IAM is important, but understanding how they work together in a real-world environment is crucial. Cloud environments are dynamic and complex. You need to understand deployment, scaling, and troubleshooting. Familiarity with AWS tools and services is essential. 4. Real-world example: let's talk about a startup I worked with last year. They were developing a new app to handle customer data. The team was excited because 2 engineers had AWS certifications. However, when it came time to deploy, they faced major issues. They set their EC2 instances to auto-scale but didn't configure proper scaling policies. Their S3 bucket permissions were too open, risking data exposure. The engineers spent hours troubleshooting instead of efficiently leveraging AWS features. The result? The app launched 3 weeks late, costing the startup over $30,000 in lost revenue. This situation illustrates that certifications didn't prepare the engineers for the challenges they faced in a live environment. 5. What to do instead to become job ready: you need a clear action plan. Here's a step-by-step framework. Step 1. Build hands-on experience. Use the AWS free tier to experiment with services. Set up a personal project, like a blog or a small web app. Aim for at least 10 hours a week of hands-on practice. Step 2. Learn by doing. Follow real-world tutorials that simulate job tasks. Deploy a sample application using AWS services. Use GitHub to showcase your projects. Step 3. Collaborate on projects. Join online forums or local meetups. Contribute to open-source projects. Work as part of a team to gain collaborative experience. Step 4. Understand business needs. Learn how cloud solutions align with business objectives. Gain knowledge of cost management. Understand the AWS pricing calculator. Identify key metrics like request rates and uptime for services. Step 5. Prepare for problem solving. Study common cloud architecture patterns. Engage in scenario-based learning. Practice troubleshooting exercises, focusing on AWS logs and metrics. 6. Common mistakes. Here are 5 common mistakes people make when preparing for a cloud engineering role, and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Relying solely on certifications. Fix. Balance certification study with practical experience. Mistake 2. Not understanding cost management. Fix. Familiarize yourself with the AWS pricing calculator. Set a budget for your projects. Mistake 3. Ignoring documentation. Fix. Regularly read AWS documentation. It provides insights into best practices and updates. Mistake 4. Skipping hands-on labs. Fix. Prioritize labs and simulations over theory. Platforms like a Cloud Guru or Cloud Academy can help. Mistake 5. Underestimating security. Fix. Learn AWS security models. Understand IAM, VPCs, and compliance requirements. 7. Quick checklist. Get hands-on experience with AWS free tier. Complete at least one personal project. Join a community or collaborate on projects. Learn business implications of cloud solutions. Engage in troubleshooting exercises. 8. Summary plus CTA. AWS certifications are valuable, but they don't replace the need for hands-on experience and problem-solving skills. Follow the steps I outlined to prepare effectively. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical insights on cloud engineering. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.